Guys, I am Kandaray T. Orlina, grade 6 Math Science. Today I will do sexual and sexual propagation on plants. Sexual propagation is the method of producing and multiplying plants using seed. Sexual propagation is the method of plant propagation that is done without the help of the reproductive organ of the plant. Today I will use sexual propagation. Now guys, I will make avocado.